Understanding, go up the aisle, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, go up the aisle. This phrase is often heard but can be confusing for English language learners. So, let's dive into its meaning and usage together. Go up the aisle literally refers to the action of walking up the central passage of a church, theater, or similar venues. This aisle is the path between rows of seats, leading to a focal point like an altar or stage. In a more figurative sense, go up the aisle is commonly used to describe getting married. This stems from the tradition of a bride walking up the church aisle towards the altar on her wedding day. 1. Wedding context. They're finally going to go up the aisle next summer after a long engagement. 2. Literal context. As the play began, the actors went up the aisle to the stage. The phrase holds significant cultural meaning, especially in Western societies where church weddings are common. Understanding this phrase helps in grasping the cultural nuances of English-speaking countries. I hope this video helps clarify the phrase, go up the aisle, for you. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this are a key part of learning English and understanding its cultural context. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.